Heavy duty hose stand. Heavy duty. It's easy to put together and sturdy. Just what I ordered. For what this is, it's okay. You definitely need to make sure everything is tight, and you will need a 10mm wrench in order to fully tighten this. It's super easy to assemble, but the problem is that it's not heavy duty. I know upon putting it into the ground, I bent some of the metal while pushing down on it. It gets the job done, but if you want to make sure it's secure, you need to plant it in firm soil. Doing so may end up applying enough force to bend this, so you might be better off burying this by digging a hole and stomping the soil down after. I like the design and it serves its purpose great for my hose. Great quality. Ordered a second one for the back of the house. I'm the person that gets a hose and leaves it laying around outside year-round. I don't see that changing, but I thought that, perhaps, I could get myself to use a hose holder so that it's not just lying around on the ground. We'll see how that goes. For now, I have it set up with a hose on it, and it's working well. Granted, I am using a very lightweight hose, so I haven't really tested how much hose it can handle. The thing was very easy to put together. A couple of wing bolts attach the bottom bit to a pole. A couple more attach that pole to another pole. 3 more attach the front, decorative piece to the base where the hose sits. 2 longer wing bolts as well as 2 nuts attach the top pole to the part where the hose sits. It took just a few minutes to put this together. There are extra pieces, such as screws, which I presume are used for attaching the top 2 pieces directly to a wall as opposed to using the poles to stick it into the ground. I didn't like the fact that the box was full of styrofoam, which is messy and irritating to deal with, but aside from that, I had no issues. I stuck this into the ground near my water spout and wrapped the hose around it. I'm a little worried about the hose catching on the wing bolts or on the edges, and I kind of wish this had a full circle to wrap around as opposed to less than half a circle. It works, looks alright, and it seems to be stable, but I kind of wonder if I wouldn't have been better off with one of those hose reels, as I think that would be a little better for getting the hose wrapped and unwrapped. Really good looking addition to the front of the house. Just as important, it gets the hose off the ground and out of the way. Rubber mallet helps getting it in the ground if you don't have enough stepping force. Love it. I love how this has a eagle head on the face. It looks so cool. This does come shipped in several pieces, but assembly is fast and easy. It's made really well and built to last. It's made from heavy-duty steel and can support plenty of weight for several hoses with no problems. I would definitely recommend this to others. I hope that you found this review helpful, and if so, it would be awesome if you could tap that helpful icon below. Click link in description for more reviews.